a Gatorade there, sister. I'm gonna see nothing right though. Let's see. Alright. Patsy? Patsy?
Yes, sir.
What do you say Gatorade in there? I don't see none round at the back. And plus I don't see none right down.
What do you mean when everybody gets ready?
Patsy, Patsy, you drink the Gatorade them and don't write them down?
First of all, I want Gatorade mistake. But I don't get to one.
Patsy, is not one missing.
One Gatorade mistake, I never write it down. Ask the secretary there, where's the Gatorade in there? I come on, John, but there's one Gatorade. When you come with mine, you know, they don't put the Gatorade on the cash price. So, yeah, that's the one Gatorade. Okay? The rest of them, they all stop, by.
I'm not serious at them, Patsy.
So that's what the baby, my love. Is it whatever you want, we don't want to get there then? You don't think you're not the man?
Alright, Patsy, alright. Anyways, what do list them there for buy the things in the shop?
Oh, the second, it's underneath the bearding right there.
Underneath the bearding when you put it?
Yeah, because people don't come back anymore. I think they have to everybody like community, you know. If there's something heavy, look at the hair.
Alright, we'll see you. Alright, Patsy, we'll see you.
So anyway, you know how much I am sad. I realize I can move before I get yeah. Get up my car.
Patsy, this is none of your business.
Okay, make sure you remember that.
I am me not question you, boy. You want water commission?
Really no, another year. I don't year, but you have to take one year thing. No plan to just run. It's this time, I'm going to take that runway here again.
Alright, Patsy. I'm going to finish doing me I do, so later.
Alright, okay.
Bye.
Bye.
You're not going to put me here and tie my hands.
And you're not going to make decisions as if you run things. That was not the agreement.
You know what your problem is? Your ego won't allow you to sit back and watch as positive changes are made in this administration. You think you have to have a say in everything.
Maxine, this is not a popularity contest. This is not a business. And we are not business partners. This is the governing body that runs the country.
Yes, Marcus, a governing body. And I'm happy you acknowledge that. So that means you don't act alone.
Tell yourself that, Maxine. You are the one who wants to make decisions without consulting anybody.
Are you even aware of the reputation that this administration has in the streets? Do you even care?
No, I don't.
I know.
I don't. Running the government is like running your home. You give your children what's best for them, not what they want.
How arrogant can you be, Marcus? We're not leading in the polls, which means that we're going to lose the next election if we don't make some radical changes.
That's you overreacting and thinking with emotions, as usual. I know the numbers aren't the best, Maxine, but they're certainly not the worst.
They're not. You want to use taxpayers' money to bail out an institution that has been robbing them, and you think that's okay. You want to deputize sixth form students to substitute for the rapid resignation of hundreds of teachers, and you think that's okay.
We have to come up with the solution as the problems arise. This is not a long-term plan. So we have to do something in the meantime, Maxine. What do you want us to do? Just sit here?
But these are issues that we have created, and we're not admitting and we're not addressing to them, Marcus.
We are addressing the problem, Maxine, just not at your pace. These things have to be thought out and strategically dealt with. I don't understand you. Why are you being like this? You're so impatient.